squad, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sana, aka Say, and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, class is in session. So today we will be talking about different ways and essentials that you need to have for back to school. So if you want to watch that video, then just keep on watching. If you want to watch that video, then just keep on watching. I'm just joking. But yeah, class is not in session. I'm just going to be showing you a little bit of stuff that you should have when you're going back to school. Like essentials that you need to have in your everyday closet. So yeah. The first thing I will say that you need in your closet is denims. Like guys, denims is a must. Must have flavors. Must have the black ones. Must have the dark wash, light wash, and white. So I will say that this is an essential because you need it for your everyday life. Like you always need denim. Like you always need denim. And denim is essential for school. So I don't know about you, but I used to love wearing denim to school. I used to love wearing denim. So that is the first thing. So guys, denim is a must. The next thing I'm gonna talk about is sweatpants. Guys, so I got me some Victoria's Secret pink sweatpants. Then I got me some sweatpants because I'm very tall. I'm like 5'8.5". So I got these sweatpants from Misguided. It was from the tall section, and I love wearing sweatpants. I don't know about you, but I like comfort. Like I like to feel comfortable while I'm in class. Like I don't want to be feeling like I'm wearing some tight pants, so I'm feeling a little, you know. No, I like to feel nice, calm, relaxed, chill. So that's my type of vibe. The next thing I'm gonna put that you need in your essentials is leggings. Like guys, leggings is a must. I got these from Forever 21 for like $4 or $5. Yeah, I think it's like $3.99. Yeah, $3.99 for them leggings, and I wear them on top of most of my long dress shirts and stuff like that. I'll wear it. So yeah, I think that's a must. So you should have that in your book as well. Next thing I'm going to say is an essential to me is some joggers. Like, I love me some joggers. So this is like my boohoo joggers right here. Then I got me some Pretty Little Thing long joggers from the tall section as well. And then I got this kind of like sweatpants kind of jogger material with this like little styling detail going on it. And I really love it a lot, and I wear it a lot. So that is an essential in my book. That is definitely one of my essentials. Next essential is having a book bag, of course. Like, you can't be going to school without a book bag. Like, you need to have a book bag, a purse, or whatever you want to take to school. So I have this little bag. So whatever can't fit in this bag, I'll just like carry my books in my hand, you know. Because I want to look cute and I want to carry an actual book bag. I'll carry this, you know. Look cute, and you know, it's nice, small, you know, but it holds a lot of things. It can hold my pencils, my books, my calculator, so much other things, you know, just not my books. But it's okay, I can hold that in my hand. So this is how the book bag looks. I got this one, and then I got this one as well. This is the Victoria's Secret pink book bag in like a blue army color. Next thing I'm going to is basic tops. So I go in with like a plain top like this, or I might go in with the white one that is a bodysuit kind, or I might wear tops like the ones that I'm wearing right now, or this I consider as a basic top for me. These are considered as my basic tops. This is how it looks. Next basic essentials that you need is a nice denim. This is my denim that I have for like 4 years now. I got this from Forever 21, and I believe I got this in the men's section. It was a size small. Was it from the men's section? I don't know if it was from the men's section or it was from the regular section, but I remember getting this, And so many people always ask me about this. I got it for like $20. It was on sale, and I got it for like 3 years ago, and it never fails. And then this denim jacket as well, I got from Forever 21. And this is like a basic kind of thing that I need for my everyday. I can wear like a nice basic shirt with it, with this, with the denim jacket, or my leather jacket, some nice jeans, my Converses, or my Vans. Call it a day. Still look nice and put together. Next thing I'm going to talk about is sweat tops and also hoodies. So now it's about to start getting cold and stuff like that. Most of the time in the classrooms they have like air conditioner on. It's kind of cold and you know you're not feeling the vibe. Just throw on a sweatshirt. This is a Nike sweatshirt that I really love so much. Really cute. The colors is really aesthetic. And yeah. And I also got this like Forever 21 hoodie that I used to wear almost every day to work. But now, you know, I stopped wearing it because it got hot. And I have this Nike one as well. So this one is like a Nike sweatsuit that I have. That I usually wear, I used to wear when I'm traveling. Because it's like it's so easy, comfortable. Next essential is cardigan. So I have this cardigan that I got from Boohoo. Really nice, white and long, extra long. And then I have this other one right here from Pretty Little Thing. It's this cardigan, like kind of casual, kind of shirt kind of material kind. And it's really cute. And yes, you need this for school. You need this for school. Sometimes you don't want to wear a sweat. You want to wear a nice shirt and you want to show it off a little bit. So by you throwing on this cardigan on top, A+ in my book. Next thing is t-shirts. So different kind of t-shirts. So you could have a plain t-shirt like this with the writing on the side of it. This one is from Pretty Little Thing. Then I got this Mickey Mouse shirt that I got from Zara. Then I got this shirt right here from Pretty Little Thing as well. It's a nice long shirt dress that if you don't want to put it all the way in, you could just like tuck in a little bit on your jeans. You know, make it like a little style, make it look cute, you know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. And the last one I got was this regular shirt that you wouldn't even think is a t-shirt until you see the back. So when you see the back, then that's when you got, oh yeah, that's cute, that's pleasing. So you probably wouldn't wear this with a cardigan because you want to show the back off, you know. Next things are button-ups. So I have some plain button-ups here and I got a funnel here. So this is how the plain button-up look. I got this one from H&M. I wore this for my birthday and I feel like it was cute. Nice, plain, and cute. This one is from Pretty Little Things. This is a nice 80s vibe. So if I want to wear these with some mom jeans and then put my Converses or my Vans on, it'll look cute with it. Or I can just wear my Nike white ups or, you know, something plain. Oh yeah, guys, if you want to see what essentials for shoes wise, shoes, sandals, whatever the case may be, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make a video on that also. And this is the funnel. This one is my funnel. So the last thing I'll say is, the last two I'll say is jumpsuits and jumpsuits. So this is how my jumpsuit kind of, my sweatpants jumpsuit kind of look. So this I would definitely wear to school. I think I should have thrown this in the sweatpants aisle. But yeah, if you want to just throw a one-piece like sweatsuit on, this is like a cool, comfy kind of outfit. You just go, throw it on, look cute, and you don't gotta do too much. You don't gotta do too much, and you look good, put together. You know, got your makeup did, your hijab on, or do your hair, look nice. You know. Last thing I'll say is have a nice vest suit. So I got this suit right here from Pretty Little Thing. It's a suit and it's a pants as well. The pants is under right here. And I'll say to have this because you never know if you have like a presentation, you want to look professional, or you have like, I don't know, picture day or something like that, you want to look nice and professional kind of thing, or you have a speech or something, you're about to go up in front of so many people and talk, you want to look nice, put together, and something like this, a vest and stuff like that would look 100% cute. So yeah guys, that was my video right there on the essentials that you should have to go back to school. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.